Hello, and welcome to Milestone 1. In this milestone, we have several things to accomplish. Most notably, we're going to work on your resume. In the very first task, you are referred to the Student Center, our student services. And in this location, you'll find many helpful resources for completing Milestone 1. Look for the resume builder, as well as an inventory or a collection, a directory of employers and other helpful reference materials. Now, these materials have been gathered particularly with your career in mind. You'll find that other collections of this kind of information are too broad and too general for our purposes. And so the Art Institute has gathered some very specific and helpful resources for you, and in this career service, that's where you'll find them all. So let me know if I can help you in any way, and we'll go forward together into Milestone 1.